This marks my initial budget presentation for Denmark. Serving in the Uttar Pradesh government, the most populous region of India, is my responsibility. Horticulture as well as agriculture is part of the nation, and I am serving as the Minister of Trade, Agricultural Export and Horticulture Development for the country. I am pleased that under the guidance of our country's Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and the leadership of Uttar Pradesh's Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath ji, our state is producing the most honey in India. A conference about honey recently took place in Denmark, which led us, including ACS Meenaji and several exporters, to come here. We'll investigate ways to process and add more value to the honey from our state. How can we boost the income of our farmers? Such questions are central to our mission. We will also study and expand our exports. India ranks second in exports, and we aim to bring Uttar Pradesh to the #1 position in such exports. Enhancing honey exports is part of our endeavor to increase the income of our state's farmers. This is part of the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and we all must fulfill it. It is this purpose that has brought us to Denmark. We will also study the innovations Denmark has made in industrial crops and how we can implement the same for our farmers in Uttar Pradesh. If Denmark has done commendable work in the area of processing, we will work to bring their technology to our farmers. In this regard, our embassy, the Indian Embassy, is facilitating discussions between Denmark's farmers, exporters and producers. We continue engaging with Denmark's exporters and producers to promote technological exchange and enhance export-import relationships. This visit is part of such exchanges, and I firmly believe that our state, Uttar Pradesh, is larger than many nations. Or one might say, only 3 countries in the world are more populous than our state. Yet we are just one part of India, a single state. Our state is larger than many nations. Therefore, our focus is to increase the income of our farmers in Uttar Pradesh. The objective of our journey here is to assess our farmers' produce, upgrade its processing, and expand its reach into international markets. We will explore opportunities to ascertain what we can offer to Denmark and what Denmark can offer to us. This delegation from our state, along with representatives from other Indian states, is here to explore these possibilities. Each delegation aims to determine how best to serve their state's farmers. Following this, decisions will be made on what Denmark can offer us and what we can provide to Denmark. If technology exists to produce better quality honey, we will examine that. How can honey production be expanded and its quality preserved for better health outcomes? What new attributes can we incorporate for mutual benefit in our domestic and international markets? Furthermore, can we transform honey into various products similar to those already being distributed globally? Could we establish industries and tools locally to manufacture such items? By processing honey and enhancing its value, if Denmark possesses advanced technologies, our aim will be to establish them in Uttar Pradesh. I am an Indian citizen and serve as a minister in one of the states of my nation. India is my highest priority, but we can't overlook the immense potential for mutual benefit. India offers plenty that Denmark lacks, and conversely, Denmark has much to provide that could enhance India's progress. So this topic is about partnership, not about who is bigger or smaller.
Thanks for watching India Vision. Please subscribe to keep updated on any new videos that we release, and give us a thumbs up with your comments if you've liked this video.